Hi there, it's Ian over at Griptape, and today I'm going to introduce you to a new library management feature in Griptape Nodes. Griptape Nodes is our visual editor for creative professionals that want to put generative AI technologies directly to work in their workflow, supporting image, video, audio generation, as well as a lot of image manipulation and video manipulation models. And historically, it's been possible to extend Griptape nodes by adding new node libraries using the command line. So you've had to use Git and cut and paste the paths to your libraries into our engine settings in order to get new libraries added to Griptape nodes. And these libraries extend the capability of Griptape nodes for new API services, new open source models, and other image manipulation features that you might want to build or use from community contributed libraries. Today, we're simplifying this through the addition of the Griptape Nodes library management feature. If you visit the settings menu and click on library management, you'll now get this dialog, which shows you the libraries that you currently have installed. And adding a new library, a new extension library, is really simple. You visit the community libraries, which is in this directory that we keep up to date on our GitHub. And you can see there's already a wide variety of Griptape and community contributed libraries here. Say I wanted to add Black Forest Labs to get access to their image manipulation models via their API. I'd simply click on Add to Griptape Nodes here. This would drop me back into the engine, asking me to confirm my library download. I confirm that library download, and then you'll see the Black Forest Labs library appears here. Close the library manager, refresh my libraries, and I'll have access to the new library in the left-hand navigation panel here. And you can see that those nodes are available to me. Now, in common with many API nodes, these nodes require an API key in order to use the API. And to add that, I go into Settings, into API Keys and Secrets, click Add Secrets, and it's BFL_API_key. You can find the details of the secrets that you need to add in the README files for the different libraries. Those are available on our GitHub, as I showed you. And I'm going to cut and paste in the API key from my external monitor, save those settings, and now I can drop the Black Forest Labs Flux text to image node from the library onto my canvas, connect this prompt, and hit run. And in just a couple of seconds, you should see that we get a generation there using the custom library. There you have it. So I hope you've enjoyed that short video introducing library management features in Griptape Nodes. If you want to learn more about Griptape Nodes or sign up, head over to griptapenodes.com. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you on the next one.